So today I'm feeling a bit hungry. I want something light. I don't want something too heavy, so I'm gonna check out Y.Not.Pita. I hope they're not too expensive, and I hope their food is good. Let's see. So since I haven't eaten anything here before, recommendations were made that I should try the jerky, which is jerk chicken. Let's do this. Not a lot though. Yeah, that's fine. Not a lot. Just to add the flavor. Yeah, but not a lot. Well, you know your thing, yeah, chef? Yeah? Really? How long you working here, sir? Yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. I'm just allowing you to do your thing. Alright. Okay. And that's a jerk chicken, so that's a jerky. Okay, so he's gonna add some jerk chicken to my wrap. They call it jerky. Alright. Jerk chicken. It's going to roll it now. Okay. Alright. What's your name? What's your name? Jamar. Okay, alright, Jamar. So that is Jamar doing his thing. And I'm waiting on my wrap.
Thank you for making it. Y.Not.Pita.
So I got the jerky wrap, and I also got a pepperoni pizza. That was what Casey wanted. And let me tell you guys, their food is delicious. Head on over to Y.Not.Pita. Check them out. Tell them Claudia's Corner sent you. Alright?